So beautiful. I think today is one of the best day to hike. Wow. Good morning, Waku Waku Wonders. I'm here in Barangay Manduang. The building in my background is Manduang Elementary School. From here, I'm going to go to Mount Calbasaan. So let's get started. Mount Calbasaan is located in the Northern Minglanilla. Today, my mission is to hike from Manduang and exit from Camp Cebu. To get to Manduang, you can take haba-haba from Barangay Pakigne. The nearest landmark would be RB's Bake Shop. From there, it's 50 peso per head and takes 50 minutes to get there. Okay, let's get back to the trail. Okay, so first thing you need to be careful is that you need to make a left turn and then getting to the sideways and just going straight. So after getting to the sideways and then make a right turn, you are getting to the wide road like this. This place becomes a river when it's rain, but today it's fine, no water, comfortable to walk. The collection there is actually the rainwater on the ground. Now I'm taking a narrow path and then I'm heading to the another community which is really small, but you can buy drink and snacks there. After getting to the community, real challenge starts from here. Look at this. Look at this tip. That's so hard. So it's gonna be continue to be steep for 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer. I don't know, but yeah, that's gonna be good hike, I guess. Yeah, let's see how it works. So I've been working like 20 minutes or so. It was really steep, but hardest part, the steepest part hasn't come yet. As you can see, it continues to be steep, but it's fine. It's gonna be just challenging, but that's fine. That's good. Okay, let's keep hiking. It's so hot. Still 8:30 in the morning, and yeah, trail is continue to be steep. But still not the half, just a third. Yeah, I'm gonna take a rest a little bit here. Now I'm getting into the kind of open place where you can overlook the city of Minglanilla. Minglanilla is not even a city, but yeah. Look at this view. So nice. Our trail still continues on. So I'm arriving at the local community here, and then I saw the local woman making the chopstick with bamboo. It's quite nice to see the people making such things. So now I passed through the tiny community, and then now I can see the Mount Calbasaan across the mountain. Also from here, I can see the whole city of Cebu, and I can see the Orang Island, Bohol. Such a nice place to be. Everybody should come here. Okay, so now I'm really getting closer to Mount Calbasaan. I believe it'll be maybe 20-30 minutes to reach. Yeah, let's hope. So I'm arrived at the Calbasaan. I think there's a volleyball court behind. People usually do volleyball, but they don't play volleyball today. And then Calbasaan Elementary School is just right there, so we're gonna enter Kalbasaan Elementary School and then go to Mount Calbasaan.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?
It's so nice. It's so nice to be here. The weather is amazing. I can see the Lapu-Lapu, I can see the Lango, I can see the Bohor. Such a nice place. Actually, the peak of Calbasaan is actually now a farm, but still, the view from here is wonderful. One thing that I forgot to mention in the opening was that I'm gonna go to Camp 7 from here and then go to one of the restaurants in Camp 8 for the late lunch because it's now 12. Actually, I keep looking at the Cebu City, but actually you can see the Negros Island from here. I am not sure if you can tell from your screen, but I can clearly see the Negros Island from here. That's wonderful. That's so nice. It was an amazing experience to walk on grassy hills while looking at the wonderful view. Leaving Mount Calbasaan behind, I headed to Camp 7 through farmland. Okay, so now I arrived at the new site of construction, which is the more modern Pakigne. So what I'm gonna do is to go down, take another path, and then go to Camp 7. Hopefully it's gonna be in 30 minutes or so. So I'm walking through the farmland, but it's so beautiful. It's so nice. It's like a therapeutic. So now I'm getting to the pepper farm. I think it's really spacious. I feel like it's gonna be raining anytime soon. It's really cloudy. I really like to walk here because this forest reminds me of man-made forest, the between the Camp 7 and Camp 8. It's actually raining a little bit, but since we have big leaves over my head, so I don't actually get any drop, which is nice. Now I finally arrived at the Camp 7. I'm taking a tiny bridge, community bridge. I'm gonna heading to Camp 8 by Haba Haba. Hopefully I can find it. Luckily, I was able to find Haba Haba right away and got this restaurant with lion in the backyard. After having lunch, I went to Tabunok. Overall, I enjoyed this trail so much. If you want to hike the same trail, it's intermediate and may take 4 to 5 hours to complete. For more information such as fee and landmarks, please check the description below. If you want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing. Well, see you in the next adventure. I'm here in Manduang. I'm here in Manduang. Manduang.
I'm so hot.